reminding it's not allowed to talk Friday while the khatib, the lecturer, is giving Friday lecture. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam forbade that. What's required in that situation is to listen the lecture and to be silent. Even if someone is doing something wrong, talking, you are not allowed to tell him to be quiet by talking to him. Rather, you gesture, so you don't talk. Because if you talk, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, من قال لأخيه يوم الجمعة والإمام يخطب أنصت فقد لغى ومن لغى فلا جمعة له. So it's reminded for the youth. Their parents should teach them, remind them. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the one who says to his friend Friday while the khatib is giving the lecture, be quiet. He make laghu. And the one who make laghu, he doesn't have Jum'ah. He doesn't have Friday. This is the person who say to another one, be quiet, be silent. How about the one who was talking? So to remember these teachings from the teachings of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Therefore, the people of knowledge said, it's not allowed for a Muslim to say salam to another one who is listening to the Friday lecture. So if you enter the masjid and people are listening to Friday lecture, you are not allowed to say assalamu alaikum to the one you come to. Because this is considered talking and it's not allowed in that situation. What is legislated in that situation is to be quiet and to listen, to follow the lecture. And in case someone says salam, you don't respond to him. You don't say wa alaykum salam. It's not allowed. Even if Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam name is mentioned, you are not allowed to say the louder, tasalli ala nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. All this shows the importance of listening and following the lecture. Let alone using text messages and reading the phone or using dhikr beans and the like, or answering to someone. Unless it's in a state of emergency, then you go out. This is reminding, it benefits the believer.